Hey guys, what's going on? Danny back here with Pro Transmissions over in Athens. All right, so I know, and I sound like a broken record online sometimes about this, but you can find so many people to rebuild a transmission, to fix a car, to do repairs. Everybody and their mama thinks they're a mechanic nowadays. So I want to show y'all a testament on one. So we have this customer. This customer's from out of town, out of state, and they do a transport business. All right, so this particular vehicle, we rebuilt this 6L90 roughly about a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago. Okay. It's got 160,000 miles on this rebuild. All right. Our technician Ty just took this out. So let me get it firsthand before I give y'all any kind of circumstances of what was going on with it. Our technician Ty just took this out. How was the removal of this? What did you see? Did you see anything alarming in the removal of this transmission?
So we do have.
All right.
So we did have the exhaust gasket. I did notice that on my removal. You know, some people try to silicone and then they try to just smack it all back together. That ain't the way to go. I mean, you can buy that gasket for what, $10 at AutoZone?
Give or take, yeah.
So that kind of was alarming. I always try to check the U joints and stuff on them because those can cause issues. Seen that before.
Did you happen to look at how many miles were on this van?
They don't got 400,000 on it. Yeah, 402 and some change.
All right. So other than an exhaust gasket, which 400,000 miles on an exhaust gasket is not bad.
I mean, yeah.
Everything else for the most part looked good. What about trans? Were all the bolts in there? Was there metal in the transmission pan? Did you see anything alarming?
Not at all. No. I mean, it come out smooth. All the bolts was in the bell housing. And I even got the exhaust off. As you can see, I have not cut the exhaust, which is a very common practice for some people. But nah, she come right on out of there.
All right, so I'm gonna take y'all over to the transmission bench. I want to show you all this transmission. Again, remember, it's got 150,000 miles. This complaint that it had a shudder. He has serviced there every 40 to 50,000 miles. My thought, and I can't tell by the invoice that we're set, but my thought would be that the actual fluid that was used was not what we use. On these particular transmissions, 6L80, 6L90s, I know it's not what's recommended in the book, but we've been using Mobil 1 LV synthetic fluid for it for a very long time, and it kills a lot of our shudder issues. Now, only issue that we have found with this transmission is we're going to replace the converter because the fluid, again, is not even horrible. But let me show you the clutches and everything like that. Come with me. If you look at all these clutches, for the most part, each and every one of them are still look like we just put them in. And again, remember, this transmission has 150,000 miles on it. Drums are good. Pump is still in great condition right here. No scarring on the pump. Fluid, you can see it's got a little bit of varnishment to it. That's why my thought is this fluid got hot. And maybe not a quality fluid was used on it. Unfortunately, we weren't the ones that serviced it. We are people of our word. At that time, we were offering one kind of warranty, which is 18-month unlimited. So we did revert to a different warranty now. But we're people of our honor, and so we're honoring the warranty on this. But it just shows you a testament that when somebody builds a transmission right and does quality parts on it, not just throwing a set of clutches in it, but does quality parts on it, it goes a long way. Remember, guys, cheap work is not always good, and good work's not always cheap. I'll see you on the next one.